This will be for the con exercise, inscribed angles. All right, so the main theorem you need for this exercise. You need to know that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. All right, so let's look at the diagram. We see this angle right here. It extends and it meets this arc right here. So I'm going to highlight this arc right here. And this angle right here, it extends and it intercepts the same arc. All right, this angle with a vertex on the circle itself, this angle is called an inscribed angle. All right, and this angle right here, we can see it is emanating from the center of the circle. So this angle right here is called a central angle. So if the central angle and the inscribed angle intercept the same arc, the central angle is going to be 2 times the inscribed angle. All right, so the central angle is going to be 2 times the inscribed angle. And if you want to look at it another way, the inscribed angle is going to be half of the central angle. All right, so the inscribed is half the central angle. So just these, really this is the same formula. I just wrote it in a different way, but this is what you need to know for this con exercise. A circle is centered on point B, AC and D lie on the circumference. Angle ABC is 46 degrees. What does ADC measure? All right, let's label ABC as 46. And angle ADC, I'm going to label that X. Angle ABC, they said that was 46 degrees. And they want us to solve for ADC. I'm going to label that X degrees. All right, we can clearly see that this one is the central angle, and this one here is the inscribed angle. All right, we said the central angle is 2 times the inscribed angle. All right, so let me just write the formula real quick. All right, central angle is 2 times the inscribed. The central angle is 46. And that's going to equal 2 times the inscribed angle, which is X. All right, solving for X, the opposite of times 2 is divided by 2. The 2's cancel, and 46 divided by 2 is just 23. And that's in degrees. Do you have to go through this every time? No, we know that the inscribed angle is just half of the central angle. So we could have just said 1/2 of 46 equals 23 degrees. Same thing. All right, 23 degrees right in the box. If angle ABC measures 122, what does ADC measure? Okay, I'm going to label ABC as 122. I will label ADC as X. Angle ABC right here, this is 122. That's in degrees. And angle ADC is the one we're trying to find. That is going to be X. Now, if you'll notice, this angle right here intercepts arc AC. And this angle right here in yellow also intercepts arc AC. So if you'll notice, both angles, they reach out and intercept the same arc. Okay, this right here, that is the central angle. And this one right here, since the vertex is on the circle, that is the inscribed angle. All right, we said before the inscribed angle is half of the central angle. So x is going to equal 1/2 of 122. All right, and of course, half of 122 is going to be 61, and that is in degrees. So that's it. On all of these problems, you're either going to be taking half or multiplying by 2. All right, so enter 61 in the box. Angle ADC is 35. What does ABC measure? All right, let's label ADC at 35. ABC is going to be X. Angle ADC, that's 35 degrees. Angle ABC, that's going to be X degrees. Okay, which one is the central angle? Well, the one that has the vertex in the center of the circle. Okay, that one right there is your central angle. Which one is the inscribed angle? The one that has the vertex on the circle. So this one right here is your inscribed angle. We said at the beginning the central angle is 2 times the inscribed angle. So x is going to equal 2 times 35. And of course that equals 70. And that is in degrees. 70 degrees right in the box. If angle ADC measures 35, what does ABC measure? All right, angle ADC is 35. And ABC, we do not know. We will call that X. All right, notice both angles, they intercept the same arc. Okay, the arc runs from A to C. So this angle here is the central angle, and this bigger angle right here is the inscribed angle. All right, the one that has the vertex at the center is your central angle. If you can't see it, it's this angle right here. All right, and the one that has the vertex on the circle, that is your inscribed angle. We said the inscribed angle is half of this one. Okay, or we can say the central angle is 2 times the inscribed angle. So right here, the central angle is just going to be 2 times 35. And of course, that equals 70. 70 degrees right in the box.